Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to trade simply and accurately by adding a single indicator to our chart. The indicator we will add to our chart contains two different stochastics within itself. To differentiate between them, we will refer to the black-colored one as stochastic 1, and the indicator with blue, orange lines as stochastic 2. Please pay attention to this distinction while watching the video. Before diving into indicator settings and strategy training, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Let's start with our first example, the black stochastic line, labeled as stochastic 1, and the blue stochastic line, labeled as stochastic 2, have entered the overbought zone. The black stochastic line should cross below the 80 level, and the blue stochastic line should cross below the orange line. In this case, we can receive a strong sell signal. The first stochastic cross below the 80 level, but the blue stochastic line has not yet crossed below its orange line. In this scenario, we are waiting for confirmation before entering a trade. And shortly after, the blue stochastic line also crossed below the orange line, both stochastic indicators, and below the 80 level. We will enter a trade based on the closing price of the first bearish candle with red volume. Since we have received a flawless and strong signal, we set our initial target at a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. If we achieve this reward ratio, we will definitely perform a partial profit realization and move the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade. Yes, as you can see, we have reached the 1 to 1.5 reward ratio. Now, for traders aiming for higher profits, we are targeting a clear previous lower level seen on the chart as our ultimate target. Of course, if the market reverses, the price can touch our entry point, resulting in a partial profit from the trade. I have adjusted our final target based on a recent lower level. In the price history, wow, the price reached our final target very quickly. We have achieved an excellent trading profit. Well done. And now, let's take a look at an example of a long position. The first stochastic line and the second stochastic blue line entered the oversold zone. As you can see here, the second stochastic blue line crossed above the orange line, and even both lines moved above the 20 level. However, the first stochastic line still hasn't exited the oversold zone. Since the stop-loss level is very close to the recent swing, I am willing to take this risk and enter the trade upon the closing of the green candlestick. Once again, our initial target will be a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Here we have witnessed another excellent trading example. Please note that the stochastic indicator is a tool that reacts very quickly to price movements and should be used with caution. Before we say goodbye, please don't forget to like the video. I still see some viewers who haven't pressed the like button or watched without subscribing. Thank you and goodbye.